Welcome to my channel. This strategy I'm going to teach right now works for all pairs, but I use it on gold and GBP USD. It will be based on support and resistance, and the support and resistance we are going to be looking at is from daily and 4 hours. You know that daily support and resistance and 4 hour support and resistance will be more stronger than 1 hour support and resistance or 15-minute support and resistance. So I only focus on daily support and resistance and 4 hour support and resistance. And I have been using this strategy to be trading Forex for years now. And the win rate of this strategy is like 85%. So pay attention. It's just that you have to be patient because this strategy is something that you might see 3 setup in a week, 4 setup in a week, sometimes 2 in a week. It's not the type of strategy that confirms all the time. But whenever this strategy confirms, there is every possibility that you are going to win the trade. So the win rate is high. So pay attention to everything I'm going to explain to you regarding this strategy. If you want me to mentor you, the link to my website is below. Go to my website and register for my mentorship program. I will teach you everything you need to be a successful Forex trader. So let me teach you guys the strategy. I'm going to do some demonstration here on different patterns market move or different patterns you might see this setup. Now we all know that market move this way, lower low, higher high and lower high. Then market take out the higher high, then come back to the lower high, then as in respect it, then go up and take out the higher high, then come back and respect the higher low, then forming lower high, then keep moving. We all know that when market is trending upward, this is how it will move, and when it's trending downward, you know that it will be vice versa, which is it will also move this way. When it's trending downward, it will also move this way. So this is the first trend. This is uptrend, this is downtrend when market is trending. The reason why I'm doing this illustration or this example is for you guys to get this strategy fully, how it works. Now there is when market will have this phase, which is ranging phase, this way and this way and this way and this way and this way. So now if your strategy is a trending strategy, you work well on when market is trending. When market is trending upward like this, definitely your strategy will work fine for you. When it's trending down this way, definitely your strategy will work well for you because it's a trending strategy. But when market is trending like this trending strategy will not work well with this pattern of movement. That is the reason why no strategy is holy grail, because your strategy must do one thing. It must be a trending strategy or it will be a ranging strategy. Ranging strategy will work well when market is ranging like this because you'll be buying from the low and go up from the high and sell from the high and go up from the low. And if you are using a ranging strategy and you want to trade it when market is trending, you will lose money because when you want to sell here, you have to take it out and keep moving up. So this thing brings me to where some people drop their strategy because the win rate drop. People just drop it and start looking for another strategy. So don't drop your strategy when the win rate drop. But this strategy I'm going to teach you now, the reason why this strategy I'm going to teach you now is awesome is because when market is ranging this way, it doesn't give you any setup or it doesn't even give you any confirmation because you are using daily time frame and 4 hours time frame support and resistance to look for your entrance. That's why whenever market is ranging like this, it's not going to work because you will trade only market that is trending, that is taking out higher high or that's taking out the lower lows. Then you are waiting for market to come back to the lower high for you to take a buy, or you are waiting for market to come back to the lower low for you to take a high, for you to take a trade. Something like when market take out this high, then this is the particular candle, take it out, then you wait for it to come back to this support. Maybe market come back to this, but then you start looking for your entry from here. So let's go to daily time frame. I will do the first analysis. I will do the first teaching on daily time frame. Then the second one will be on 4 hours time frame. And please, daily time frame and 4 hours time frame, we have different entry and different setup. So please pay attention. Now this is daily time frame. You can see that gold take out this high here, then come back to retest it, and I have already marked out this. Now this is one candlestick on daily time frame, but on 4 hours time frame is more than one candlestick. I don't use all this one candlestick on daily time frame. So let's see. Let me use this particular example that has 2 candlestick on daily time frame. You can go and backtest this after you're done watching this video, because I will not do much example. If I'm doing much example, then this video is going to get to maybe 40 minutes or 30 minutes, which I don't want. So I'm going to do one example on this daily time frame, then go and do one example on this 4 hours time frame. Then if you backtest it or check it by yourself, you will see that this strategy is working. This strategy has like 80%, 85% win rate. So market broke this high here. This particular high, market broke it. This particular candle broke it. Then this one came back to retest it. Then what we are going to do is, when this one broke and this one is coming back to retest it, then go to the 15 minutes time frame and look for your entry on 15 minutes time frame, which is, this is the zone. This thing went back. So this is what happened on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I'm on it. So this is what happened on 15 minutes time frame where market came back to that zone. You can see that this is where market came to retest the support. Then how are you going to enter this? Look for head and shoulder or W pattern. You can see this is the pure head and shoulder. And this trade, I took this trade. I know that I took this trade. I can never forget. I took this buy on gold. This is the head and shoulder here. You can see here. This is the shoulder, and this is head, and this is another shoulder. This is the pure head and shoulder. But I took this trade at this level because this is liquidity. What I'm trying to tell you now, this one is experience I have regarding trading, is what I applied here. But if you are waiting for head and shoulder, it did head and shoulder, which is this shoulder, head, shoulder. So there's invert head and shoulder here for you to take this trade. But the reason why I took this trade from here is because of this is liquidity. People bought gold here because this buyer seen here. People put money into gold. That's why it's rally up from here to here. And see this drop. It took all the liquidity out. Then coming back to take out this side, I know that we are going up because we're already taking out the liquidity. That's why I took this buy from here. So if you miss entry from here, you can also take from this level. Or if you miss all this one, when it came back to retest here to complete the head and shoulder, you can maybe take when it take out this neckline of head and shoulder. Then this is this example on this daily time frame. You guys know that setup will never look the same. You might see different setup when you are trading. Then let's go to 4 hours time frame. This first example is for buy, and I will also do example for sell. Okay, this 4 hours time frame. This is the current stuff I'm looking at for now. For you guys know that I'm trading with this strategy I'm teaching you guys. That's what I trade with. This is the high. High. Market just take it out. I've already marked out this zone, waiting for market to come back. And you can see that market is already in this zone, but I have not taken any buy. So I'm waiting for my confirmation on this 15 minutes time frame before I can take a buy. And whatever made this go keep dropping and take out this low, the buy, the uptrend I'm looking for is no longer valid. So I don't know whether gold will do something like this on Monday morning. So give me a second. I don't know whether I might see another low here, then come out to take out this high, then retest. Then I will buy from here, which is I will expect it to move up this way because it will be head and shoulder. Sorry, it will be W pattern because this W pattern, this is the pattern. This is W pattern. Come back to retest. Then I will take a buy from here. I never know what will happen, but I will look for a setup here on Monday morning when markets open. Then this is another example on 4 hours time frame. Okay, let's use what happened here. You can see this level. Market take out this high. What's happening? Came back to retest it on this. When it came back to retest it on that, because you can see that this is series of market breaking higher high and retest and break and retest and break and retest. That's what this market is: break and retest, break or retest, break and retest. That diagram I drew before. That's how this thing keep moving, which you guys can see. So now market came back here to retest this. Let's go back to 15 minutes time frame and see our entry. What happened to 15 minutes time frame? Whether we can see an entry in there. This is it on 15 minutes time frame. Market came back here to retest it, which you can see that market is already ranging here. Can the market range here? So it made it retest here, then came back to took out this high and respect it. You enter because here is also a liquidity. That's what happened here because you can see that here they first push it up. It's somehow ranging. This zone, this zone, this zone, they are all the same level. But this particular can later smash down. It took out all the people that are buying market from this level. This particular can took them all out. Then you see massive move up, take out this high, then retest. You buy because on higher time frame is already on a support level that you know that support level might push market back upward. It's very simple. Then let's take example for sell. This is a very simple strategy. It's not complicated at all. Okay, look at this setup for sell. You can see that this is a higher high, this is lower low, and this is higher high, lower high, and higher low. The market didn't take out this low with the body. It's all shadow, shadow, shadow. Then I didn't take a sell here. Even if I want to take a sell here, there is no confirmation for me to take a sell here because this is the current sell that happened. I waited for it for me to take a sell on Friday. I didn't see any sell confirmation here before this buy. People that if anybody that's in my Telegram channel is watching this, the person will know that I didn't take any trade on Friday or on Thursday. I didn't take any sell because I didn't see any confirmation here. So now let's see when market is doing higher high and lower high and lower high. So let's see where market is doing lower lows. And let's see whether we can see a setup to take a sell because you can see all these places. It's all about series of higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Okay, look at here. This is market take out this low here. You can see that this is the high, this is the low, and there is two buy here. This is the higher low, and market take out this lower low here and came back to retest it. Look at it drop. Then let's check 15 minutes time frame whether we can see an entry for sell there. So this is a very simple strategy that you might not believe that it's working, but this thing has a 5 win rate if you focus on this strategy and be patient, because another thing is that this setup might not see it often. It doesn't just happen regularly. So you have to be a patient trader. You have to be patient and wait for you to see your setup before you take. In a month, in a week, you might trade once or twice. So this is the entry here. You can see that market tested it here and drop, then move up. What are you guys seeing here now? This is head and shoulder is here. If you look well, you will see it. If you don't, you will not see. Then you guys should also study about head and shoulder for you to be able to be spotting it. You can see this spot. You can see this spot here. This is shoulder, because this is 15-minute time frame. This is head, and this is another shoulder. Then allow market to come back to take out the neckline, which is here. Market take it out and retest. You are buying, you are selling at this point. This particular sell, I took this sell on gold, which I know very well. I took this sell because I know I'll miss the trade. It broke it here and retest. Your entry should be here. And your stop loss level, you can choose wherever you want to put your stop loss on. Maybe here or here. It depends where you want to set your stop loss. Then you target where you want to target. If you set your stop loss here, this thing have gone to 1 to 3 plus. And if you set your stop loss here, I know that definitely it will give you 1 to 2. Because I know that I caught 1 to 2 out of this trade. To give you like 1 to 2 here. So this is very simple example I have just given to you guys. So go and backtest this, look into it, master it. If you can be able to pay attention or hold on and master this strategy, definitely you will make money with this strategy. This is what I'm using. And I know that some of you might not believe it. That how can I just teach what I'm using online? Just like that. But this is what it is. Pay attention to it. You will make money with it. So that is it, guys. Thanks and God bless.